Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix null service problem in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing null service problem in your iPhone after updating your iOS or after restarting, so let's see how can you fix this issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to scroll down your control center and you just have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. And once you have done, and if you're still not fixed your issue, so you just have to try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches with your iPhones. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to try to unlock your phone and you have to recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to go ahead to your settings app, then go to general, and here go to transfer reset iPhone, and then select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone's network setting, it will be fixed in the step and you will not get the issue again. But if you're still facing the same issue and your issue persists after updating your iOS, so you have a simple way. You just have to try to downgrade your iOS, and after that, you'll not get any kind of issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.